it, you can come with me. If not, you be the one that be leaving the league. Got the home team advantage, we can get this cheese. We strong, we deep, we creep, we from the streets.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to discuss about a new thing that is called a car. It is most expensive in the world. That is called Bugatti La Voiture Noire. And it is one of the supercar based on Bugatti Chiron. You may all know about it. The Chiron. It is a speediest car, and it is unveiled at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. At the Geneva Motor Show, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire it's been displayed, and the La Voiture Noire is the modern reinterpretation of the Type 57 SE Atlantic from the 1950s. You may see everything about the design. See, you may see the front view and the back view and side views of the car, and you may also know that it is very looking nice and it's a best designing part, and this is the 3D model of this car. And next to it, you may know that this is the 57 SC Atlantic, and the modifications are being right there downside. You may see what is the difference between the Lavoisier Noire and 57 SC Atlantic from the 90s 30s. And according to the history of the Atlantic 57 SE, it is only one built and it is being sold for $12 million. At that time it is very costlier, and it is the only one car that is built, and it is also the Lavoisier Noire is designed by this PR team. This is the specialty of it, and you may see the background and the designing of the rear windows and everything. You may see in the video that Bugatti is being released a great car, and only 40 units are going to build to remain unique. Means Bugatti is releasing only 40 units. Why? Because it should be as a unique one. And coming to its exterior, it's like Bugatti revised all aerodynamics for this model. You may see that you may see as like a Lamborghini using aerodynamics. You may see in this Lavoisier Noire also some of the aerodynamics have been used. And specialties of this Bugatti Lavoisier Noire is most of it I attract to it is LED pattern. It is in the diamond shape, and a cool feature is here is that windscreen seems to flow seamlessly into the windows at the sides, means as like a helmet. Coming to interior, Bugatti didn't publish any photos or any model about it. And coming to its trailer, you can see it. See, watch it. It's the total design of Bugatti's Lavoisier area, how it's been modified and how it's been rectified to design, and what are the tests they have been built. We can see everything in this trailer. See, at that time, it's been a picture has been modified and artificially drawn in this. And next to it, it's approximately cost $19 million. And engine, coming to its engine specifications, it's a 16-cylinder engine and 8.0 liter quad turbocharged, and its transmission coming to 7-speed dual clutch, means it's very speed, and uh, horsepower is coming to approximately 1500 HP, and torque is being they discussed about the torque is there. They introduced the model as like torque is 1180 lb-feet, means 1180 lb-feet its torque is, and it will raise the reach or 60 kilometer per hour with 35.2 liter per 100 kilometers. Means if we want to travel for 100 kilometers, we have to fill up our tank with 35.2 liters. And you may see the tires building, and this all been designed well, and you may see that how the modifications have been done in each way in the each step, and its a speed test also have been recorded in this trailer, and means see how much speed it is been reaching. Top speed is 420 kilometers per hour, and according to my opinion, it is just only for richer persons who wants Bugatti's favorite and who have Bugatti as a favorite goal and they have to buy everything related to the Bugatti's new version, they can buy La Voiture Noire. It is the best one and it is just you only use it for us. Comedy is that it should be placed in the garage only. And thank you, friends. This is the video about everything about La Voiture Noire. If you have any doubts, you may comment us and say please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you soon in the next video. Please click on bell button.